Against the light
But
pa.
enjoy.
You're tired?
Yeah.
Why you're tired? Yan.
Tawa pa rin.
Pagod na ako eh.
Tulong laway. Tulong laway. Tulong laway ng bebe. Okay na yun.
Video.
Ayun sa ako naman.
Ayun yung 80 pesos.
Hi, P.
Gusto tayo pumunta ng maganda ng view.
May elevator na.
Hi!
May elevator.
Hindi ang galing yung shades.
Why?
Binati ni Mami.
Pero shade mo. Shade mo. Sabi.
Ayaw na.
Uyaw na tuloy.
O yun tayo sa puso tayo. Bababa na. Papangin muna tayo dito.
Pusong maganda.
At saka doon ko yung... Meron ako dito.
Ano sabihin? Wala.
Hi guys, we're here at in Batangas. And we're going home. And
I'm coming.
we will eat. I think we will eat. Where do you want to eat? Where do you want to eat?
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
Is there a place where you can eat everywhere?
Yeah.
Is there a place where you can eat everywhere?
Nandito?
No, I'm asking. I asked Hannah, where do you want to eat? Her answer is everywhere.
Okay. We can eat at a fast food.
What?
Kinaya nyo?
Not fast food?
I'm in love with the baker.